Oh man, I was just taking a moment to sit here and just enjoy this space. It is so nice to sit and read a book and look at the fire, to be able to look outside, and I love this home. And it didn't always look like this, so let's go on a tour and I'll tell you about it. We'll start up here in the foyer. So when my sellers bought this home, there was a wall right here as you walked in. So it was closed and dark, so they got rid of that and opened up the space completely. Now you get natural light from this window here and from the big bay window, and it made the dining space a lot larger as well. You could expand this table, host huge holiday meals. It's the perfect space. This was also really closed off, so the sellers opened up the wall to connect the kitchen to the living and dining area. Kitchen is all brand new. New cabinets, countertops, appliances, everything in here is brand new. I love these sinks, they're huge. You can put everything in them after dinner and do the wash while you're looking out the window. It all flows out to the backyard as well, which we'll get to. But first, I want to talk to you about this space over here. So this used to be a hallway, and it was totally unfunctional, and the bedrooms were off the hallway and really small. So what the sellers did is they got rid of the hall, made the bedrooms bigger, and now you just have way more functional space. To get to those bedrooms, you go through the living room where you found me. And this is probably my favorite room on this floor. It is so cozy to sit and read, to watch a movie with the family. It's the perfect space to hang out in. Now go check out the 3 big bedrooms, the beautiful bathroom, and I'll see you downstairs. So we're down here in the basement, and again, it did not always look like this. When my sellers bought the home, it was stuck in the 1970s, and we had a huge bar over here, which was taking up way too much space. We had a bathroom right in the middle of this room, which made it totally unfunctional. So now it is the perfect basement setup. You've got these huge windows bringing in tons of natural light. The area that I'm in right now is ideal for a home theater or multimedia setup. And over here, I want to show you, this would be great space if you need a home office. You could do a desk all along the back wall, big enough for 2 people to work in. And then through here, we've got a 4th bedroom or whatever you need this space to be. Could be a home gym, anything that you need. Now, down here, there's also tons of storage space and a really beautiful 2nd full bathroom. So go take a look and I'll see you outside. So the first thing you're gonna notice when you come outside is that the escarpment is right there. There's access to the Bruce Trail and miles of hiking and biking trails. In your own backyard, you've got these huge trees for total privacy. There's tons of space for a fire pit, a kids play gym, and come on up here and I'll tell you about the deck. So the deck was newly done and it's got a ton of space on it as well. We've got 2 couches and 2 chairs up here, and it's the perfect place to hang out in the summertime. Guys, a house like this that is this modern and this nice does not come around every day. So give us a call to come and see it for yourself.